It's the time of the season, and this time give it to me easy, and let me try with the pleasure. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Valeria, but you can call me Val since it's easier for you to pronounce. Today is a good ass day because you already read the title. You saw this pig. You know what that means. That means, bitch, it's conspiracy season, bitch, and we got it right here. We got it right here. And we about to use this for the first time ever. People be saying, ugh, this shit ugly. But I say, ooh, this shit pretty. I'm really excited to try this palette, and if you've never seen it before, which I don't think you haven't, because it's all over the news. Not the news, but the grams and the YouTubes. This is she. It's a she. I call her a she. This is she. She's pretty. She's colorful. She's a different. And we love her. And to be completely honest with you, I really don't know what I'm gonna do with this. So we'll figure it out together. And I love that for us. It makes us a family. And I love that. This is not the only thing I got from the collection. As of course I got the pig because listen, if you've seen some of my other videos, you know that the only thing I use to do my makeup is this little guy. This. So when I saw the mirror, I was like, by the way, I know I say mirror kind of weird. Mirror. It's hard for me, okay? Try to understand. Thanks. When I saw this mirror, I was like, I low-key need it because I don't have anything like this, and I've always wanted one of Jeffree Star's mirrors, and this was just big. She a big pig, so I wanted it. It's cute. It's just so me. Love it. I also got the gloss, but we'll get into this later. So I'm gonna prime my eyes, and I'm gonna bring you guys closer to me, and we're gonna start. So let's do that. Okay, so now our eyes are primed. As always, I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer. I love these two. Totally recommend. It's pretty good. So okay, I'm gonna start grabbing the color Not a Fact with the Morphe M506, and I'm gonna put this color on my crease, like, stamping it on. This, like, I know it's a review, but I already know how Jeffree Star's formula is, and I love it already. So, like, I know these are gonna perform good. I just want to see, like, the colors. And honestly, like, I know people, like, low-key, when they saw this, they were like, ew, this shit ugly. But it's different. It's just different, and I like it. Like, I don't have colors like this, and usually when I buy a palette, it's because of that, because I already don't have colors like this. So I love it. Okay, that's a cute color. We love her. It's cute. Okay, so now I'm holding this mirror at a bad angle. Like, you can see everything. Okay, so now I want to try something a little bit scary because I don't know if it's gonna work. But let's see what's up. So I'm gonna grab the color What's the Tea with a Morphe M456, and I'm gonna put this on top of this color and see if these two blend together, because I honestly don't know. So let's see what happens. Ooh, no. No. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Nope. Wait, I need to fix this. This is not cute. Okay. Wow, why did I think that? I kind of fucked up there. It looks kind of muddy. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab a fluffier brush and try that again. And if it doesn't work, well, it's okay. We can fix it later. Okay, I don't know if it's not better, but I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side just so they match, but I'm gonna fix it. Now that I have the same mess on both eyes, the way that I'm gonna fix this, I'm gonna like disregard that I use that color. I'm just gonna forget about that because it's the only way I can cope. What I'm gonna do now to fix this mess is that I'm gonna mix Not Effect with Pig-ment with a Morphe M514 just to create like a lighter purple and see if that works. Okay, yeah, this is helping because I really fucked up back there. Okay, now I'm gonna grab Pig-ment with a Morphe M433 and I'm gonna put this on top of all this. Okay, I am not mad at that. Obviously it needs some improvement, but we'll get there. Now I'm gonna grab the color My Ride Is Here with a Morphe M506 and I'm gonna put this right on the edge just to darken this up. I want it to be a little bit more smoky. Just like that. I really like how smoky it is and the colors are blending pretty well, except for that stupid ass blue. I don't like her. I don't like her. It's also my fault because who the fuck would have thought that that purple and that blue were gonna blend together? Like, it's my fault, but still ugly. We don't like her. Now I'm gonna cut the crease with some micellar water and a Q-tip. And later we're gonna put like the primer on top again. So let's do that. Okay, we have that there. And I really want to use the color Diet Cola. So I'm gonna grab Diet Cola and I'm gonna pop that in that space. I am really excited about this color. Let's see. I like that. Oh my god. This color is like metallic. It's so pretty. But I also want to grab a little bit of the color Sleep Paralysis and put it like right here. So we have something a little bit darker. And I'm trying to use like as much shades as possible. So I'm gonna put this here. Oh, this is pretty as well. I don't know if you can tell the difference, but it's there. If you're planning on buying this palette, be careful with the metallic shades because they're so buttery that they fall apart in the pan. So just be careful, don't push too hard. Just be careful with like pushing the brush too hard because I did that and it kind of fell apart. So just be careful doing that. Now what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna grab Not Effect again, the dark purple, and I'm gonna deepen this part right here. I'm happy with that for now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do my face off camera and my brows, and we'll be right back to finish up the eyes. Now that I have my base and my brows done, I'm gonna finish up the under eye, and I'm gonna use the same colors that I used before, starting with pigment and not a fact. And on the outer edge, I'm gonna put a little bit of my rides here. Love that. Okay, now we're gonna get a little bit funky and crazy because I really want to use the color Food Videos on my inner corner. That's the really bright yellow, and I'm gonna use it. So that's what I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna grab a Makeup Shack T73 brush, and I'm gonna grab Food Videos and put it on my inner corner. This is an interesting shade for sure. On camera, it doesn't look that bright, but it is. Trust me, it's there. For lashes, I'm gonna use the Tati Lashes TL1s. I love these lashes, they are so fluffy. And I'm gonna use these. So cute. Lashes make everything so much better. Since I started using lashes, I literally cannot stop. They're so pretty. But whatever. Now I'm gonna contour my face with my face palette by Dragon Beauty. For blush, I actually want to use pigment. I've heard really good things about this as a blush, so let's try it out. I'm gonna use a Morphe E4 brush, so let's see what's up. This is actually cute. Ooh. Let me blend that out. This is really cute. I put a little bit too much, but we can fix that. Yep. There you go, it's fixed now. A little bit on the nose, on the chin. Cute. I really like that. For highlight, I want to see if I'm able to use the color Ranch as a highlight. So let's see if that works out. I'm just grabbing a little bit just to see what's up. Okay. Put that on the tip of my nose as well. Oh. And on the bridge. And on top of my lips. As I said before, I have the gloss, and it's clear as can be. So I don't know if I want to like put it on by itself or put something on top of it. For the smell, it's supposed to smell like root beer, but I don't know what root beer smells like. To me, it smells like bubblegum. Like bubblegum that's like bubblegum flavored. Like the pink one, that's what it smells like, if you wanted to know. I'm just gonna put it on and do that. Clear gloss, that's what it is. Nothing special. I really got it because I don't have a clear gloss and I've always wanted one. It's not sticky at all. It's really smooth. You can see like no strings, bitch, no stickiness. It's really moisturizing. It's really nice. So should I leave it like this? I think I should. I should leave it like this. For the sake of the video, I am gonna leave it like this. Okay, so this is the look. Honestly, I really like this palette. I used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shades, which I know it's not a lot, but, well, 6 counting the highlighter. I know it's not a lot, but this palette has a lot of possibilities. I definitely want to do another video using it. This is not gonna be the last, I promise. And I really like it. I love the packaging. It's kind of paperish, but I don't mind it. It's like matte finish, so it's really nice. I really loved everything, honestly, and if you were thinking of getting it, you should get it. Like, the formula is amazing and there's nothing wrong about it, so you should definitely get it. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss my beautiful face. And I'll see you on another video. Bye, bitches.